Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for watching this video today. So as you have read the title, this video is going to be the best of 2021. Since my channel is related to beauty and lifestyle, I will be only talking about makeup and skincare and hair care products in this video. So all these products I have been using a lot during this entire year of 2021 and I really like them. So during the course of the video, I will do a brief you know I will briefly mention why I like those products. I will also mention all the products in the description box, so please do not forget to check it out. So if you are interested in knowing my favorite products of 2021, please keep on watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It's absolutely free by clicking the red subscribe button down below. Next to that there is a bell icon. If you click on that and select all, every time I upload a video, YouTube will send you a notification every single time. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video now. Hey friends, so let's get into the video right away. I have only four products, I guess, yes, four products pertaining to skincare and hair care. I do not experiment a lot with skincare, but if I have tried any product, I definitely mention it on my YouTube channel. For now, there are four products that I have been using a lot during this entire year. I'll start with hair care. There's nothing much. I just like this hair oil and I have showed it previously. I do not remember last year, whatever it is. It is the good old Dabur Amla hair oil. So this is like a very tiny bottle, and usually I buy this because I have a ton of other products to try out. So whenever I buy a big bottle, I end up throwing half of the product. So this is one good way if somebody like me and who has a lot of products and has to keep on trying new products, then this is a good way to try. Also, this is very travel friendly. You can carry this when you're traveling, if you want to oil your hair. Why I do like this hair oil is because it's really nostalgic for me. Whenever I sniff it, it clearly takes me back to school days because I used to apply this oil while going to school. If you are somebody from the 80s and 90s, you would know that school was very strict at that point of time. We had to oil our hair. This was an oil I really used to like, and I haven't stopped liking it. Just that I got into other hair oil during the course of the years and I forgot about it. So I'm glad I discovered it. I really like it. It makes your hair nice and soft and shiny. There's no need of using conditioner if you apply this, like 30 minutes before washing your hair, and then that smell also lingers in the hair. Now the smell is a personal choice. I personally like it. So yeah, this was my first favorite product of 2021. Now moving on, I do have the second product which is related to skincare. Now some of you all would say, why are you using this product? It's a personal choice. I like it. It works for me. So this is a Johnson's baby oil. This is how it looks like. Now this is only for 50 ml and it comes for 55 rupees. I generally apply this before I apply my foundation. Now my skin has become combination, and at this time of year it has become dry, so this facial oil really helps. It gets absorbed easily into the skin. It gives a nice glow. Like today I have applied it under my foundation and I really like it. I mean, कितना यूज़ किया फिर भी इतना ही ख़त्म हुआ है. I regularly use this, especially before I sleep at night. I sometimes also use sweet almond oil, so there's nothing fixed as such. But yes, I like to apply this below my foundation. It really gives a nice moisturized. I mean, it moisturizes your face well, and that's how the foundation really glides easily, and it doesn't get patchy or cakey. So 55 rupees में आपको facial oil मिल रहा है. You can try it. I would say that this is a personal choice. I really like it. You can use any oil that you want. There are so many now. There are so many brands that are coming up with, but I think this works really well for me. So yeah, this was my next favorite. मूविंग ऑन, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लिप बाम. विंटर्स आ चुके हैं एंड लिप्स ड्राई होना शुरू हो गए हैं. तो दिस इज अ लिप बाम, लाइक ओ माय गॉड, आई रियली लव दिस लिप बाम एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट दे हैव चेंज द फॉर्मूला बिकॉज वे बैक, लाइक इफ यू लुक एट लाइक 10 years or 8 years ago, when I used to buy this lip balm, it used to always melt on me and I used to not like it at all. But now they have changed the formula. This is a good old Nivea Original Care lip balm. So I think it's priced at around I'm not sure what is the price. I think it comes for 140 or something, and but I got it on discount for like 120. It smells nice. It has that typical Nivea scent, and it's not very strong. It glides so nicely on the lips. Like you can use this over your lipstick and it will look all glossy and shiny. At the same time, it does a fab job of moisturizing the lips. So I'm absolutely in love with this. I think I don't know how many I have used over the years. Like I have tried different brands, but I keep coming back to this one because it's really good. The next thing is a face wash I've been using and I really like it. This is my repurchase, I would say. The first time around the brand had sent me. This is the Roop Mantra Cucumber Ayurvedic Medicinal Face Wash. This is how it looks like. Some of you all might say this is not ideal for winters. Well, kind of, it dries the skin, not really. मतलब पूरा dry नहीं करता है, but it does a good job of cleansing your skin. So it's like a gel based face wash, there are tiny granules in it, but I do not find it like abrasive or doing anything in terms of exfoliation. So it's good as a face wash. I would say you need to take a tiny amount, lather it, apply it on your face, and once you use it you feel really fresh. I really love the fragrance as well, and so inexpensive. I think it comes for 98 rupees and you get 15 ml extra. So yeah, that's a lot, like 100 ml plus 15 ml extra. तो 100 रुपये में फेस वॉश मिल रहा है. It easily lasts you for 2 months. You just need a tiny amount. You do not have to keep on squeezing it. I've seen people doing that. No, you just need a tiny amount and you're good to go. So yeah, these were all the skincare, hair care products that I really love this year. Friends, moving on, I'm only going to talk about makeup during the rest part of the video. But before that, I wanted to show you 2 nail polishes. I've always mentioned in my video I'm not into nail polishes, but this year I kind of purchased a few of them. The first favorite I have is from Juice, and it is in the number 307 Diamond Dust. So can you see that? So this is how it looks like, beautiful shimmery silver. अभी न्यू ईयर्स आ रहे हैं तो ये परफेक्ट है अपने नेल्स पे लगाने के लिए. It does get a little bit thick during the course of I mean from when you buy it till the time you use it, so you need to continuously keep on using it, otherwise you'll have to use a thinner. Nonetheless, look at that sheen, and it looks really nice, very glam and festive kind of look on your nails. You can also use it on one of your nails to do that accent nail thing. And this is priced at rupees, what is mentioned out here, I think it's around 60 or 65 rupees. I got it for 50 rupees from a local shop. So yeah, I'm happy with that and I really like it. The next one is from Blue Heaven. It is a Hypergel nail paint in 702 Ray of Gold. So I've already done a shot of this on my channel here on YouTube. So it's basically a very light golden yellowish kind of color. Well, it's a golden color, but it's on the lighter side. It's not very dark. And it really looks nice on my nails, but I'm not sure about others, but on my nails it looked really nice. I think I got this for really cheap. This is like around 100 rupees or something. Yes, it's for 95 rupees, but whenever you buy it online you always get a discount. So yes, these were the 2 nail polishes that I liked. Alright friends, so let's move on to the base products. When I say base products, they are foundation, concealer and all that stuff. So the first thing I really loved, liked and I've used a lot is the Garnier BB cream. Now I guess everybody has tried it at some point. Why I really like this BB cream is, first of all, the smell. It smells really nice. Also the shade that they have come up with, they say it's meant for all skin colors. So if I try this on myself, it looks nice. If I try it on my mom, who is like of a wheatish skin color, it blends well into her skin as well. So this is what I like about this Garnier BB cream. It gives you an even tone, like even complexion. It does not hide any flaws as such, and it also imparts a nice glow. So if you're looking for an everyday BB cream, and if you haven't tried Garnier, definitely you should try it. The next thing I have is this concealer and foundation stick from NY Bay. Like, how many times I have used this. So this is like the most used product I would say in my vanity, and it is from NY Bay. The shade that I have is Golden Grand Central 3. This is basically like a stick foundation concealer. So this is how my shade looks like. It matches me perfectly, and this is one of their most popular ones. Like, it goes with most people who have fair to a medium kind of skin color. So this is really nice. I think it's priced at something around 125. You always get it for less than 100 if you will buy from Purple. That is the best place to buy NY Bay products. It's very creamy, it blends well, and it gives like somewhere between a light to medium coverage. I would not say this is like a full coverage thing, but it really looks nice on the skin. So yeah, this was my next favorite. The next thing I have is no surprise, I have used it so much, but I'm not able to finish it, and I might finally get rid of it. This is the L18 Lasting Glow Foundation. This is how the shade looks like, the one I'm using right now. It is 02 Marble. This is what I'm wearing today on my face as well. I think it has somewhere between light to medium coverage. मैंने इसका पूरा review मेरे channel पे किया हुआ है. You can go ahead and find it. I'll mention it in the description box if possible. If not, you can go to my channel and check the review out. You get 27 ml for 100 rupees. Like, nothing better than this. एवरीडे यूज़ के लिए भी ये फाउंडेशन काफ़ी अच्छा है. थोड़ा बहुत ऑक्सीडाइज होगा, एंड आई फील द 02 मार्बल शेड इज़ अ tad bit dark for me, not really. So I will try a different shade this time around when I repurchase it. For now, I'm really happy with it. I have used it quite a lot during this entire year, but unfortunately I couldn't finish the bottle, so I'm really sad about that. But yeah, this was the next favorite product. Lastly, I do have a compact powder. In fact, I had no compact powders during this entire year and ended up buying like both of them from Blue Heaven. This is a Blue Heaven Matte Effect compact powder with sunscreen, and this yellow packaging really caught my eye. I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube and elsewhere. People were raving about. I think it comes only in 2 or 3 shades, and another one I went for is natural. Now it is priced at 150 rupees. It has 3 years of shelf life, but this shade really goes well with most Indian skin tones. So this is how it looks like. It looks quite yellow out here, but it's quite neutral and it works best for me. So the sponge is also really nice. So what I do is I just dab it here and I apply it here below my eyes, especially after I put concealer, and it really helps in keeping the face matte. तो ये एकदम matte type का powder नहीं है, काफ़ी silky और smooth है. It does have a strong fragrance, to be honest, but it's not annoying in my opinion. So yeah, these were all the base products that I have loved in 2021. Friends, so let's talk about a blush and a highlighter. So the blush that I really liked this year, and this was bought from Dubai by my sister-in-law because I told her to get me blushes, and I really like it. It is from this brand called Just Gold. This is how it looks like. So if you have watched my previous videos, then you would know that I had shown this in a haul. Now this is not available in India from what I know, but I really liked it and I wanted to show. So it has this powdery flower kind of scent to it. So this is like a peachy coral mixed with pink kind of shade, and this is what I'm wearing today. The light is kind of washing me out, so this is how it looks like though. So yeah, I really like this blush. It's completely matte, it has no shimmer, and it really gives you that fresh look, and I'm wearing it today like I said, so I really like it. Now the next product is again a highlighter. Now this is exactly not a highlighter, but it is an eyeshadow from NY Bay. It's called the NY Bay Blinking Eyeshadow in Queens number 7. If you have been watching my channel, then you would know that I have done like a proper review of these eyeshadows. This is how the packaging looks like. It is Queens number 7 like I said, and this is how the product looks like. Can you see that sheen? So this was supposed to be like a highlighter, like many people said that it is a highlighter, and that's when I went and purchased it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my finger, and this is how it looks like. And since I haven't applied anything today as a highlighter, I'm going to apply it. See, can you see that? Like wow. So this is actually priced at 125, but if you buy from Purple, I think they always have this offer, buy one get one free. So technically you will pay like what, 65 rupees for one of these. So you could definitely invest in this one if you do not have a highlighter. Like कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, देखो glow, look at the glow, it looks really nice and I'm so happy with it. Like when I got it, I was like wow because I never had any highlighter. But if you have watched my previous haul video, I did buy 2 stick highlighters, then I got one more stick highlighter, and I'm eyeing another one from Inside Cosmetics. So when I buy that, I will show it in a haul video. If you have nothing, like literally nothing, and if you are on a budget, you can go for this one. Now the pan looks really tiny, लेकिन ये काफ़ी टाइम तक चल जाएगा because I don't think so anybody puts highlighter every day. तो कुछ भी नहीं है तो आप ये definitely try कर सकते. I am absolutely in love with it. Alright, moving on, I'm briefly going to talk about 2 makeup tools which I've absolutely loved during this entire year, and I cannot stop using them. First one is this pencil brush, and it is from Pro Arte, or Pro Art as they call, of I don't know how you pronounce it, and it is in PE29. This is basically a pencil brush. So if you are not aware, if you are into makeup, but if you are not aware of a pencil brush, what it does, it's like tapered like a pencil. So when you apply your kajal, you can smoke it out using this brush. You can also use it on your upper lash line, in your inner corners. So I was looking for a pencil brush for a long time. A lot of people recommended this. I was a little skeptical because I'm all into affordable makeup and stuff, but I thought this will be a good investment. So its price 325 hai. Mostly you do not get a discount on this, to be very honest. I got this from Amazon and I definitely don't regret buying. It's an absolute must have if you like eye makeup. मतलब आपको अगर वो smoky look पसंद है, smudging your kajal, like that is my favorite look. If you have observed during this year, especially in my videos, I have not been applying eyeliner because I like the kajal look. I think that's what is my current favorite. I might change maybe in my future videos, but I really like this brush. It really helps me in smoking out my kajal and setting it with a powder. So yeah, that was the first thing. And then the second one is this AY makeup sponge. So now it's dirty because today I have used it. From the time I've got it, trust me, I have not stopped using it. I was never into makeup blenders or this beauty blender, but जब से मैंने खरीदा, I have been using it non-stop. Like today I applied my I applied a lipstick as a contour, and then I blended it, and I applied my foundation with this. This is priced at 110 rupees. After discount, you will have to buy it from Purple. That is the best place to buy it. You will get a lot of discount. Like it is somewhere around more than 200 or something. But every time इसको आप 110 में मिल जाएगा. It comes in a variety of colors. So when you buy it, you will not get an option to choose the color. But I got this one and a light blue one, and I absolutely love it. And I would highly recommend you to try it. Right friends, moving on, I do have eye makeup products to talk about, so let me quickly go through them one by one. The first is this clear mascara from Swiss Beauty, already reviewed on my channel. I really like it. I think it's decent, and for the price you cannot get anything better than this. Overall, I think Swiss Beauty does a great job of making affordable makeup. So this is how the product looks like. मैंने इसका review and short video already बनाया हुआ है. It comes with this wand. You can use it to set your brows, and you can also use it on your lashes, to apply mascara. So I use this like on an everyday basis. Sometimes when I feel like curling my lashes, because my lashes are almost invisible until and unless I curl them. So as a natural clear mascara, I really like this. So you should definitely invest in this one, and you will not regret it. The next thing is this kajal, which I showed in my last video. I had bought it quite a long time ago, and I've been using it non-stop. This is what I've applied today, and this is one of the best kajals that I've ever tried. Now it is called the Bella Voste gel eyeliner, and it is in the shade Velvet Black. So this is actually priced at $3.99. काफ़ी pricey है, but currently on Purple I think you get it for $1.99. You also get it on Nykaa. So whenever there is a huge sale like 50-70% ka, then you can buy it. So can you see how much I have used it, and now I really need to sharpen it. And look at how smooth that is. I just barely touched it. This is smudge proof, waterproof, all the proof. It will last for a long period of time. So instead of buying all those cheap kajals which do not work for your eyes, I mean it's a personal choice. But if you're looking for something long lasting, like if you're going to work, you do not want to touch up and stuff, and you do not want like panda eyes, definitely go for this one. The next two products are from NY Bay. Now these are called the Long Island. They're called Long Island Deep Intense Kohl Eye Pencil, but honestly I feel that these are like eyeshadow sticks. So the shades I really like and I've been using, and one of them is a repurchase. The repurchase one is this one, and it is in the variant bronze. So this is around 90 rupees. And what you can do is you can use it as a kajal, but I prefer applying it all over my lids and smudging it. It really looks amazing, especially look at the shade bronze. Can you see there's a sheen to it as well? It really looks nice. I think this is perfect for now New Year's. If you like a nice bronze smoky eye, you can go for this one. And this one is in the variant green. So this is how it looks like. I was kind of disappointed with this one, but I use it as a base for applying my green eyeshadows. So this is how it looks like. It has a nice sheen to it. तो आप इसको पूरे eyelids पे लगा के उंगलियों से smudge करोगे, and you can also like make your crappy eyeshadows work. Like if you apply this, it will give you a nice base. Then once you apply the shadow on top, it will last for a longer period of time. I think I'm absolutely in love with these. I've already repurchased like 2 or 3 shades, and I would highly recommend you to try these. The last product is this one eyebrow I'm really at a loss of words. So the last product is this Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer, and this is what I've been using today. मैंने इसका पूरा review बनाया हुआ है. It has got a lot of views, so you could please go and check it out on my channel. The variant that I have is in brown. I think it's called dark brown. I'm not sure. It says brown out here. So basically it's an eyebrow pencil. It does not come with a spoolie. And इसका एक ही problem है that you really need to work it in your eyebrows, but it gives a very natural look. Can you see that? That's like almost black kind of color. This is what I'm wearing today. My eyebrows look really natural. That's how I prefer it. And I think this is priced at around I would say, I cannot find the price, but I remember it was something 65 or 75 rupees. I will mention it here on the screen. You can buy it from Amazon, from any other online website. I think it's cheap, it works best, and it's amazing. So yes, these were all the eye makeup products. I do have 2 eyeshadow palettes, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab them, and I'll be right back. Alright friends, I'm back with the eyeshadow palettes. Now both of them I have used today on my eyes, a combination of both. The first one is this BOUB color, and this I had got from Beauty Center a while ago. I really like the color scheme out here, and it is perfect for a neutral look, and also if you're going for a party you could use these golden kind of colors. Can you see that? So I have used this color today out here, and it looks so nice, it looks so pretty. And I have used brown color in the crease. For that I use this Blue Heaven Eye Pop eyeshadow palette in the variant Caramel Latte. This is my favorite. So the shade that I've used here in the crease is from this palette. If I can just open it. So these are the 4 shades that you get, and this is the one I have used here, and a little bit of this maroony kind of color here in the outer V. मैंने इसका पूरा रिव्यू मेरे चैनल पे किया हुआ है, so please go ahead and watch it guys. It will really help my channel a lot because I have been struggling with watch time and I do not know how to increase it. Like whenever I upload a short video, it gets so many views, and unfortunately that does not count in the watch time. If you really want to help my channel grow and help me get my monetization, if you're watching my video, try and watch it for a considerable amount of time. If possible, watch the entire video. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So these were the 2 eyeshadow palettes that I have really loved this year in 2021. Now the only thing remaining is the lip products, so please stay tuned. Alright friends, so last but not the least, I would like to talk about these lip products that I have, and I'm quickly going to go through them. 2 are from the Pink family. One is like a neutral nude kind of color, and one is a lip gloss. Let me start with the lip gloss. This is from Insight Cosmetics, and it is in the variant number 1 Frost. So this is how it looks like. I've done like a proper video using this lip gloss, so you must check that out. I've also done like a lip swatch short video. So basically this is a clear lip gloss, and this is how the wand looks like really flat. So what I do is I have a little OCD problem. I apply it here on the back of my hand, and then I use my finger or a lip brush, and then I apply it to my lips. Can you see that? It looks beautiful. It gives you that nice sheen, and I think lip glosses are really in right now because सबसे सस्ता सबसे अच्छा lip gloss चाहिए, then go for this one. उससे भी सस्ता Vaseline है, but I think this is like a proper goopy lip gloss, and it's not very sticky, it's not very heavy, it's somewhere in between. This is priced at rupees 81 only. You can find it on Amazon, you can find it in any store which sells Insight Cosmetics. So this is something I would highly recommend you to try. The next lipstick is the one I'm wearing right now, and I have used it so many times, and this is the lipstick called Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick in the shade Plum Desire. So earlier it was in a different packaging. It was in a packaging like that, it said walk free, but now it's called Intense Matte, but the shade is the same, and this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful plummy pink color, and ये सब skin tones पे चला जाएगा. So I am really in love with this. Or probably buy a backup and even gift it to others. This is the shade. I use a lip liner before I applied that. So this is the lip liner I recently got. So this is like a pink lip liner, and I applied this lipstick on top of it, and now I applied gloss. So can you see how cute that looks? I really like this lipstick. I am absolutely in love with it. The next lipstick again is from Blue Heaven, and this is from their powder matte collection. I've done a complete review with a separate swatch video. Also I've posted it on my Instagram because I have so many of these powder matte lipstick. Let me tell you that this is one of their best ranges when it comes to lipstick. Also the price point is so good, like 150 rupees, and you get it every time on discount. Like you get it for 90 rupees. So you cannot get anything better than this, and I think they have a ton of shades from nudes to pinks to even a nice bright purple color. So definitely guys, check this collection out. Do check out my video for swatches. It will be really helpful if you want to buy any lipsticks. The shade I like is Barbie Doll. I've used this quite a lot this year, and this is how it looks like. So it's very bright. In fact, on the camera it looks a little bit muted, and it totally suits my skin color, and it really brightens up my face. That is what I like about this lipstick. So this is how it looks like. I like to apply it on its own. I don't apply a lip liner as such. So yeah, this is a beautiful Barbie pink, I would say, but it does have a little bit of purple undertones to it, which really makes it look attractive. So yeah, this was the next lipstick. And the last lipstick and the last product in this entire video is from L18. It is Colourpop's matte lipstick, and it is in the shade N51, and it is called Nude Fix. So this is a very popular shade, and many of the YouTubers have recommended on their channel, but I honestly feel that you should apply a lip liner first when you apply these lipstick, because it's a bit creamy. In fact, it's quite creamy. Now they say pop matte. It's not matte, it's semi matte lipstick. So this is how the shade looks like. On camera, strangely it looks different, but when you apply on the lips, now depending on your pigmentation, it is how it's going to show up. So this is how the shade looks like. It's pretty light, but not that light that it will wash you out, and honestly, like I said, if you use a lip liner and really nicely define your lips, it will look amazing. So yeah, this was the last favorite lipstick and the last product of this entire video. Alright friends, so that is it for today. These were my favorite makeup, skincare, hair care products of 2021. These were all the products I've been reaching out to a lot and might continue using them because they are my favorites. I have bought a lot of products during this year. Like if you have watched my previous haul, then you would know I keep buying new products now, and hopefully I can bring more content on this channel. Also I have a lot of hauls coming up hopefully in the future, also many review videos. But for now, these were my favorite products. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Like I said, this is the last video I'm going to upload in 2021, so in case you watch it next year, you should know that. So yeah, this is it for now, and before I go, I would like to wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year 2022. I hope next year is much better than 2020 and 2021, as you know what has happened and how the world has been shook by COVID. So I really hope that next year is going to be an amazing year for you and for me and all those watching this video. For now, I thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all soon. In fact, I will see you in the next year. Until then, take care. Bye bye.